Yeah.
I got the blue fever, cold as ice till you get near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it if the first thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going for a cooking class. So I'm gonna vlog the class for you. It's not a weekly vlog, but I guess it's a daily vlog. So welcome to today's vlog. I'm going on a cooking class with my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and I'm running very late. But yeah, it is what it is. Like, it's out of my control at this point. When I get there, I'm gonna vlog for you guys. The place looked beautiful in pictures, and it's actually our first time. Well, me and my sister-in-law, I know it's our first time. I don't know about my mother-in-law, but it's gonna be our first time doing such a thing. Should be a pleasant experience, I think. It sounded like it's gonna be nice, so we're just going out to do that. Supposed to be there at 11, and the time now is 10 to 11, and my ETA is saying like 25 minutes. Like, I'm gonna be there like in 25 minutes. Hopefully there won't be traffic. I'm just praying that there won't be traffic and we'll be able to like just cruise smoothly and get there. But yeah, welcome to today's vlog, guys. Let's do this. We are here, guys. It is called Bamboo House. So this is where we are. I'm late. It looks already busy. Let me put this down. Emma, what? This is so cool, guys. Oh, they have nice things, guys. I love this blue. Everything is so nice and colorful.
But it's more a celebration. So we are today making, how do I introduce you? So there's Mexon. Mexon is from the Capital Hotel. So we're going to start incorporating a lot of chefs from that are learning and bringing them into assist us. So Mexon's here today, and he's going to be doing the dessert on that side. So Mexon's ready to do dessert at that table, and those glasses that you see there, that's what the cheesecake's going to be served in. So we're making a cheesecake over there. Each station.
We're wearing some aprons now. I do bring mine. Do I take mine or we just match? Okay.
Let's be thorough.
Alright, so aprons provided.
I'm in my Martha Stewart era. Let's do it.
Martha.
Go, Martha.
I'm gonna put my microphone here. The lighting wasn't lighting there, but this is me on my apron. Hi, man. But this is the dessert, isn't it? Or we want to be. Oh, they said we can move anywhere.
Every station makes a risotto. And then
Let me just. I want you to. Okay. Come. This is in our cute apron. I did say it was the first for us, but Mai has experienced, so maybe Mai has done it. And let's go cooking. This is my YouTube video. Literally, I don't have anything. School has me on chokehold. The what? Oh, it's the Osmo Pocket.
and you just transfer it to your
To the laptop or the phone, anything you want. Sorry, ma. Okay, quickly wash hands. So, the way I was so afraid of the cold.
to dry. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. I have so many. Hands clean and ready to cook. Let's go. I'm just gonna.
So guys, some onions, butter. We're going to use butter to saute our onions and carrots. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Then I think I'll ask maybe one of you guys to continue after that, so you guys know how to do it.
That one can cook very well. You can ask her.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. So
what are we
usually I
making
like doing my prep first before I start cooking.
Okay, we are making a risotto. Sorry.
So the reason I only cut the edge and not the root is to keep the onions intact when you are cutting it.
Oh.
Because the layers sometimes they shift while you're busy
Follow.
trying to get the same consistency of the cut. So I'll show you how to, we call it bruma. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. Usually I like taking off the first layer of the onion, so it's much easier to do. With our onion, it has yes, it has lines. So these lines are our guide to get the same, maybe the same consistency in all the parts. You must not have one big chunk and some smaller, so that they cook equally all of them. So what I'm doing.
Watching me in my kitchen.
No more the rings we usually make. You know, we just make those cycles.
Just because I have to eat. I like to cook. I don't like to cook. So this is very interesting for me.
So with majority of chefs, when we get to it, we don't even want to see the kitchen.
Yeah.
The whole day we're here, and yo, it's too much work.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Ah, so nice and fine.
I have a knife like that, so I can just actually do your risotto.
Thank you.
So can I ask, how do you keep yourself from crying while you cut onions? And the basil as well.
Oh, is it? Okay, make peace with the tears.
But as long as you don't cut
The root. Keep the root on.
the roots is what causes.
The tears. Oh, that's new. So just throw the root.
To make it easier to break down.
That's interesting.
Preservation or not necessary.
Oh, this is the focaccia. This is exciting. I wanted to learn how to do this, but it's okay. I'll just capture it. It's going to the oven now. I just want to. Focaccia going to the oven. Thank you so much. This table seems more fun. What is this one?
This is the arancini Italian fried rice bowl.
This table has a lot. That side we only have one. We're still even chopping onions. You guys are already putting stuff in there. Or as this. What is that? It's cheese.
It says smoked mozzarella.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Do you want to taste?
I do.
I already did.
Thank you so much. Just capturing as we go. I'm not on the cooking team. Wow. I'm learning and capturing. So like a steak.
Saying make like
Oh.
And then you just clock
Sorry.
another one.
Okay.
thank you so much. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Do this. Mommy, but there's only 5 mushrooms there. What's happening? No, we're gonna take more. Just wait.
Here we go, risotto.
Yes,
We're done with the mushrooms. Mommy, are we done with the mushrooms?
Ma is putting them in order.
There's no. Okay.
Ma just wants to put them cute and in order. Okay, here we go, risotto.
Okay, so you're adding how much butter?
2 tablespoons of butter in.
Nice and buttery.
Everything's going on, guys. There's the risotto going in, going on, and the cheesecake preparation there on the other corner.
What kind of rice is it? A bromio. A bromio. So I can't use testing.
You wanted to use tasting
I'm
for
just
risotto?
asking a question. Yes, chef.
So now we're gonna add our mushrooms. We're gonna saute our mushrooms.
Yes, chef. Chef added the mushrooms, so
We're gonna saute the mushrooms.
You can't use fingers.
yes, chef.
It's good for everybody's systems.
Building immunity.
I don't know what was mixed there on the cheesecake. Sorry, ma?
You want to go and help me to stir?
No.
I'll help you.
It's okay, ma. It's okay.
Yes, chef.
Actually, just put this here and let it form the whole thing. But I wanted to show when he picks this up and all of that. And also, I don't want it to.
This thing, it looks easy, but like there's a technique.
The thing is, I already missed what was, because there were 2 things mixed in there. I already missed what.
No, there isn't it like. Oh, Mom, what's in there? Oh, what is it? Mascarpone. We'll try it. It's as good as mascarpone, basically.
Okay. Sweet and salty cheesecake, berry sauce, 3 components.
So we must make the crumble part.
Oh, okay.
100 grams of blanched hazelnuts. This.
Okay.
And then
I mean, it's-
30 grams of unsalted butter.
Is that unsalted?
I would assume.
That's the other steak, sorry.
Oh, it's the crumble here. Okay.
It's the last steak.
Unsalted butter. Let me remove my this.
Coffee.
Oh, it's for the berry compote.
Yeah.
We need the berry compote.
Yes. Is there pasta sugar somewhere?
That's the cast. Oh,
Oh, that's ours. So do
Okay.
you want us to start by chopping the almonds maybe?
in here.
Chop them after baking.
Oh, we're still gonna bake them.
But it says we need it for the. Oh, not the. Oh, no, yeah.
Okay, so what?
It's just what we need.
So we don't
but-
need to mix it into the crumble now. The almonds.
What you're doing is
Sorry.
Okay, here's how to. I think.
In the oven.
Oh, so we combine them and then go put them in the.
On a pan.
Okay.
Use a pan to toast them.
So you
Is
tell
this
us.
before chopping or after chopping? We chop and then go toast, or we toast then come chop. Okay. And then I think let's
So
mix the
I'm mixing
almonds.
this. You're telling me we're mixing this.
Okay. And then we have to find a pan to go toast the nuts.
So we just take any pan.
I said we just put the nuts here, right? Ah, it's smoke. And then we go put this in the oven.
I think we must do it there.
Oh, we can actually, okay, I think this will be easier, but they are busy there now.
You must guide us.
Isn't the oven busy as well?
I don't think the oven is.
It had the focaccia. Oh, that's the thing. I think it'll be best here. Toasting the nuts.
Why did you sound like Bella?
Net. Okay, I'm busy toasting the nuts here. That's my duty, to toast the nuts for the dessert. And then also making like a berry. It's a berry?
Compote.
Berry compote. That's gonna go with it. Please do.
Just in a little bit.
How much? How much, chef?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Is this enough, chef? Okay, chef is. Sorry, chef. He said a little bit of butter, so I'm just gonna put that. I think that's. Or maybe just a little bit more. I hope I'm not messing this up. That's what he said. He said a little bit of butter. So, chef told me, ma, I'm doing what chef said.
And I'm going to spin it for 5 minutes.
Sizzling, sizzling. Yeah, I think now that's enough butter. That looks yummy. It's coming together. Just let it sit, ne?
After some time, after a few minutes, then that's when you.
I try to turn it again. Okay.
This looks so
And the
beautiful.
compass.
Wow.
Yes.
So do you ladies add cardamom?
The risotto is still going there. We are now browning our onion. The mushrooms are already done.
We'll add our garlic.
Now we're adding garlic.
Very fast. So it should be a quick thing. Don't take much time with your garlic. Once you get the smell, that heat from the garlic, then we will toast our rice.
Oh, just on the onion and garlic as is, there's no extra moisture.
And then you deglaze it.
Oh, I missed the part. Okay, you just added it to onion and garlic.
Yeah.
The white one first. Is this white wine here?
No, that's a stock.
How fast, mommy? Did you just add stock cubes to water then?
Yeah.
The woolly stock cubes, not pure stock cubes.
Ah.
Different to what I know.
Okay, risotto going. Back to my nuts. There's nothing happening here. Oh, they are.
Might be toasted.
Time to turn. Yeah, it's time to turn the.
Isn't this toasted enough? I feel like it is.
That's the first turn after adding butter. So.
Because when they burn, hey? Once they start burning, it's over. I think this is fine. Is this fine, chef?
Oh, do we still need to?
A little more butter.
A little more butter, okay?
A little more.
Okay. cooking, I'm cooking.
Show me, show me.
Oh, it's doing something. I was stingy with the butter. Well, he said a little bit to be fair. Maybe you start that way and then you or you keep adding white wine. Oh, okay, white wine for the risotto.
So now we're gonna deglaze with the white wine.
Wait for the okay. Smoke on my camera. The nuts look toasted and toasty.
Half a cup.
What must we do now? Just look. What are you doing?
Now we're adding stuff.
What are you saying now?
I think just lower the heat and let it sit.
The
While you
deglazing
wait
process
for.
is just to remove
It's all evaporate.
yes.
Can it be done here? Also, you can leave the white one.
And try to get it the liquid as thick as possible before adding. If they say that the liquid is getting
So it's a mixture of regular salad tomatoes with heirloom tomatoes, which we've chopped in different shapes and textures. We've then got mozzarella eggs,
Right.
also into various shapes, either whole. And then we've got shredded basil with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar and basil pesto. And then we'll dress it afterwards with olive oil.
Sounds yum. Can't wait.
Arancini.
Oh, arancini balls. Can't wait to taste it. Look yummy. The other tables are faster than us. I feel like we are moving slower that side. You see here, there's already nice presentations. Woo. Here's the focaccia bread. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's already done. And then we also have these arancini balls beside. There's something going in the oven there. Looks like it's mushrooms. Back to our table. Okay. Oh, you crush them like garlic first.
well, either way you can just
Let me get something. You want to chop there? Let me get. Do something there. I'm trying. The nuts are just jumping around, but they are chopping. But we're gonna find something easier to chop them, like a grinder. They are hot. It's not the hotness, just they jumping around a lot. Let me not cut myself. Okay, I've taken over. What do you call this? Oh, I thought they needed to be crunchy.
That's the crumble.
Oh.
That's what it is called.
Oh wow. Okay. So we've got a new technology here
A new tool.
to help us crush these nuts.
Much easier.
This is giving isimosho if you're closer, you know. It's like stomping your what is it? It's called what is it, Naomi? Yeah. Stomping your corn to make some. This is what this thing is reminding me of. But yeah. Let's go. Oops. Okay, some of the food is being dished. Oh, this is beautiful, ladies. Oh wow. And here the risotto is all done. Beautiful. And the mozzarella balls are still cooking. Sorry. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
And you can see the cheese is melting nicely. So the other video, and you see the cheese is melting.
Gorgeous.
That's what we want.
Ooh. Okay, here's some of the salad is gonna be dished up still. And we're almost ready to eat. The bathrooms. Ah, guys, this place is so cute. I just had a little bathroom break. Just want to show you guys when you enter. There's a cute, nice mirror. Okay, go down, gimbal. Yes, there's that little cute, nice mirror, like a vanity area to wash your hands. There's even like a little stool. I think that's a stool in a basket, and then the toilets are on the other side. That I'm not gonna show you. But yeah, there's me. And then this is the store area, guys. Everything here is so beautiful. It's so cutesy and beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. Look at these nice cute little containers. What I love about it is it's all unique. It's like unique stuff and it's colorful. I love color. And then here you have like some wrapping paper for gifting. The vases, breathtaking. Everything is just breathtaking. So pretty. There's like plate collections. Oh, guys. And candles. I didn't see the candles before. More paper wrapping for gifting. Look at this. So beautiful. But you guys, you see the vibe. You see the vibe. It's like this nice colorful vibe. Like if you want color in your house, a little bit of texture, a little bit of color, like I already said, a little bit of print, you can come here to get the touch of that. Everything is really just so gorgeous. I love it so much. Yeah, guys, I think that's all for the store that I'm gonna show you. And there we have more candles and that store over there, and more of the cactuses. And then some glasses. Yes, sis. And then that side is all bit of a cafe, so you can come and actually sit and enjoy a nice coffee. Also love this umbrella detail decor situation going on. It's really so cute. Thank you. But we eat here. As people will come to this side. You see, there's like a nice harvest spread. You can literally just come and eat. Oh dang. That's so pretty, sis. It's really so pretty. Like I see you in it. And saying, oncoming, Naomi.
Live from
Oh man. It's like pillows there. Oh man, everything is so pretty. Look at this cutest skirts. Probably gonna get something. I think either the cardigan over there or the shirts, depending on the price, of course. It's a nice dress. Oh, That one is calm. It's giving Chanel.
Put it in Chanel.
It's so pretty. But I like both colors. I like both colors.
I think I'd buy this one. Where's the
Here. What's this? Oh, it's for the shirt.
I don't see a price on this one.
I like the shirt personally.
Let's get food. We can do
Such a beautiful spread. We did well, hey? This is the food I already dished. This is a. I said it's a what? Yo, I forgot now. Arancini ball, yes. And then the salad, the focaccia. I don't remember the salad. It was said something. I don't know. It's a what? Caprese. It's a caprese salad, and then the focaccia and the mushroom risotto. Let's enjoy. Do you want Ma? I don't think Ma wants to be on my cube.
Oh, like
okay.
this. Oh, okay.
Cheers.
Cheersing. Wait, let me get a picture though. I want a picture of the cheers.
This is so. I love this.
Sorry, mommy. Sorry.
Oh, actually, this is a beautiful.
It's very aesthetic. Sorry, mommy. Sorry.
Okay, princess.
Forgive your daughter.
For liking content and things.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, guys. Yeah. So you and I are gonna do a taste test, but I don't like to chew a lot. Like I just do a little taste and then it's okay. Okay, let's do the risotto.
But this almost tastes like chicken. That is nice.
That's so good. It is yummy.
So this is
That's like a 10 out of 10. Literally, like minus nothing. I'm doing the salad.
wow. So you might get that porky taste.
I think it's the smoke. It's the
Depressing.
smoked chicken kind
good.
of effect. Yeah, I give it.
Hey, this is nice food.
I mean, salad is salad, let's be honest, but it's good salad.
It is like the person obviously is where the taste is. The fork.
You said I'm not gonna.
Why, Naomi?
First time I bought it, so it was the taste.
Nice, crispy,
Arranged for her birthday.
good flavor.
What was nice? Now to the, what is it? Donkey. Good. Thank you so much. Yeah, no.
Perfect. Thank you so much. What is this? Mozzarella balls.
No, they, I forgot the name.
February, March, April.
Sorry, he said this was the arancini.
Is it a rice ball?
Rice ball with mozzarella and salad, and then roll it in crumbs, and then it's fried in a truffle infused.
Oh wow!
So that
That smoky taste is
It's
the
all
mozzarella.
vegetarian, but you can't even.
Josie would have had shame.
Now, this is our first time out on one of this type of days.
That's delicious.
We'll definitely go to the last one.
Yes, mommy, we're coming back.
The food is nice. So
Oh, are you
I chose
vegetarian?
this so that I can eat nicely. The food was so nice. This is how nice it was. It was what? Excuse me. I want the word you were using. It was.
Divine, but the kidney.
Yes. It is divine. It is so nice. We enjoyed the food. We're about to have some dessert now. And yeah, while we wait for dessert, we're also enjoying some nice. We're having prosecco earlier. Now this is wait for actually so cool. So your review of the desserts?
I don't want to talk. It's not bad. I'm not a lemon person. Maybe let me
That's
say.
okay. It's your review.
What is this?
So this is like the dessert, guys. Let's taste.
It's
the
beautiful.
dessert. Me, I'm not on the. I don't like nuts. Strawberries inside the house.
Turn it into something. I like the parts without the lemon.
It's okay. It's really like it's okay. I like the lemon. I like the lemon. I like lemon. But I'm not a nut person. I don't like nuts.
Oh, I like the nuts.
Cold as ice till you get near. You're like another fire breathing creature. But it don't burn how it appears. This true you could make me melt.
Hey guys, so it is raining, but the day is over. We're just chilling outside now. Let me show you the outside in the rain. This is such a beautiful space. So it's like raining, but we're in this little nice cozy corner. This is like a nice sunroom kind of vibe. Oh, this is ozone out. Like it's like a nice sunroom kind of vibe where you can chill and have some coffee, and there's like flowers in our beds here. Ah, it's so beautiful. Anyways, it's been a beautiful, pretty day. I'm wearing my cardigan because it's actually cold now. But yeah, the day is done, it's over. About to go fetch Bella. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for being on this little vlog of mine. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us, and I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. If you haven't, please don't forget to subscribe onto my channel, like and comment, and let me know what you think of this vlog, and if I should do more of this, like just one event kind of vlog. If you did like it, then don't forget to share it with your friends, your family, and anyone else you think might like this vibe. But yeah, guys, thank you. Love you so much. Bye.